Hey, it's time to eat again, and today we're making canelés, the creme brulee of pastries. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to help our channel. The first thing we're going to do is melt 3 1/4 tablespoons or 42 grams of butter in a pan. Then add 1 1/2 cups or 352 grams of milk. Add 1 tablespoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract. And add 3 tablespoons or 38 grams of rum or whiskey and let the mixture cool. Meanwhile, separate 3 egg yolks from the whites. I use the shell method as I find it the cleanest and easiest to do. Add your egg yolks to the mixture and gently mix it in. In a separate bowl, measure out 3/4 cups or 93 grams of bread flour. Then add 1 1/2 cups or 180 grams of sugar. And a pinch of salt. Let's slowly bring the dry and liquid mix together, and make sure not to incorporate too much air into the batter. Then let's make sure we get a smooth batter by putting it through a fine mesh strainer. And before we put it in the fridge, wrap the top of the batter so it doesn't form a dry skin. Then, let it sit in the fridge overnight to let the batter fully hydrate. In the meantime, butter and then freeze your canelé molds to prep for baking. On the next day, set your molds out and fill each of them until a centimeter from the top. Then bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. If they puff up, it's okay, no need to panic. After 20 minutes, you can take them out of the oven to deflate. Then rotate the tray 180 degrees and bake for another 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When the time is up, let them rest inside the molds for 10 minutes. Your molds should now be room temperature, and it should be easy to remove the canelés. You now have some of the best canelés you can easily make at home. These are one of my favorite French pastries. With a thin, crispy shell on the outside and a tender custard base on the inside, it's hard to resist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, when it's time to eat again.